Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well by His grace. So today is day 11 and we are making some purple fried rice, okay? This is very unusual, but trust me, it is a very delicious dish. So as we are in this festive period, you can find some very unusual, or maybe if I can say seasonal vegetables, right? So I found some which I decided to use to make this fried rice, and it turned out great. So if you can find any rainbow carrots around, you can get this and try it, and I'm sure you're going to love it as well. Okay, so let's get into it and see how I achieved this beautiful fried rice. Okay, so these are our carrots, right? And some red cabbage, or if I can say purple cabbage, and some Brussels sprouts. Yeah, these are the vegetables I'm going to be using for the fried rice. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to be peeling them, and once it's all peeled, I'll cut them into my desired shapes or desired sizes, and yeah, we will get on with it. Yeah, so these are vegetables nicely peeled and nicely chopped. Okay, so that is it. That is all you need to do, and you cook your rice. You don't need to worry about soy sauce or anything because you wouldn't need it, right? So you cook your rice. So these are the onions I'm going to be using in the fried rice, okay? And garlic and some ginger, okay, to, elevate the flavors a bit, okay? I also add some salt and some black pepper, which I haven't showed here, right? So to my wok, I just added some olive oil and some sesame oil, okay? And I just added my onions as well. So you see that my onions goes in and I toss it around for a bit. Okay, so it's just your usual way of making fried rice, nothing special. Okay, just added those vegetables to make it a bit special, right? So in goes in my chopped Brussels sprouts. Okay, so these are like baby cabbage, so it's fine. It's really like fine. People have some sort of dislike in it too, Brussels sprouts, but it tastes amazing. It's nice, yeah. So you just fry it for a bit, stir fry it for a few moments, and then you add the what I do. I try to stir fry the tougher vegetables, the vegetables that are a bit tougher than normal, So I just try to fry them, a bit earlier before anything else goes in. Okay, so in goes in my red or purple cabbage. So that is where until today I'm yet to find out where the color purple came from, because I decided to make fried rice with these vegetables. I didn't know it was going to turn into purple, and it turned into purple, and it was beautiful. I'm like, yay! I've made purple fried rice. So I have this carrot in it, one of the rainbow carrots, which is, it looks very much like beetroots or beets. Yeah. So I don't know if it came from, the color came from that, or so you can see something looking like beets. It's carrots, red carrots, very like bloody, like, like beetroots or beets, Americans call it, right? So it looks, the color is similar to the red cabbage or the purple cabbage. So I don't know where the color came from. So I'm going to be repeating this recipe, but in a different way with other ingredients to see if I can tell where the color came from. But I'm guessing it's from the cabbage, right? Anyway, so I add my garlic and my ginger, right? Okay, so to stir it in the corner. So I just created a little space there, and I just, stir fry it a bit. If I add it earlier, the garlic will burn and my food is going to taste bitter. Okay, so I just try to add it a bit later on so that I can taste the flavors, not anything burnt. Yeah. So yeah, I just stir fry it for a few moments. Then I season it with some salt and some black pepper. Okay, so that is all. You can season it as much as you want. You can add some chilies. You can just add anything that you want, With fried rice, you can add as much season as you prefer. Anything to your taste will do, right? Okay, so this is just simple. I try to keep it simple and yeah, not plain, but very, very tasty, but simple, because those um aromatics, they make it taste really nice. Okay, so here goes in my rice. I used some basmati rice today, so yeah, just goes in and you just give it a stir, and as you stir, you see the magic happening. Like, what is happening? My rice is turning purple. Look at it. It just keeps, changing. I'm like, ooh, what is that? I was pretty amazed, and I was delighted. It's made me really happy because never seen purple rice before, and it was beautiful on my plate. And I'm like, I love this. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. So I'm just hoping that the color came from the um cabbage, so that I can make more of it. And because the rainbow carrots is seasonal and it will to just disappear once Christmas is over. So that is it. It's ready, and as you can see, I'm serving it. All right. So it was delicious. Trust me, it was delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this very simple fried rice video. Okay, and I hope you try it. I'm sure your kids will love it because the color is so nice and popping and vibrant. So yeah. So thank you all once again. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you're new here today, I want to say welcome, and please subscribe before you go. So I'll see you next time with another video. Okay. So bye.